Hello fashion friends! Today we are here to talk about jumpsuits for spring fashion. When I know that spring is nearing, I know that jumpsuit wearing time is nearing as well. Springtime, you just feel breezy and cool, and we are going to look at my usual fit, fabric, and function for 3 different jumpsuits by 3 different brands. The first jumpsuit that we're looking at is the Rachel Pally Victoria jumpsuit. What I really like about Rachel Pally is that the pieces are super versatile and timeless. Supports her local economy in Los Angeles by milling, cutting, and sewing the fabric right there in Los Angeles. So looking at the fit of this jumpsuit, I really liked how loose it was, but flattering at the same time. Overall, I thought it had a very effortless, feminine silhouette to it. And for fabric, this is 94% viscose, 6% spandex. So what that means is there is no static buildup, it breathes really nicely, and it has a really nice drape to it. So all really good things to have in your fabric. This jumpsuit is super functional just in the very fact that you could literally put it on in the morning and wear it all the way to nighttime, because it would just translate into so many different scenarios. And I mean, literally you could wear it even at bedtime if you really wanted to. If you really wanted to sleep in it, you could. The second jumpsuit is by Norma Kamali, and this is the side stripe jumpsuit. This brand is a major influencer in athleisure and swimwear, and also working towards women empowerment. For the fit of this jumpsuit, I am absolutely beyond obsessed with it. I feel like an absolute fierce female. This really hugs the body in a very soft way, just basically accentuating all of your best features. It makes you focus on how much of a hot boss lady you are. And adding the vertical stripes just helps elongate the body, because for some reason we all want to feel long, elongated. Okay, and for the fabric, this is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So the good thing about this fabric is it's very wrinkle resistant. However, it definitely is not as breathable. So in the spring days where they're a little bit more cool and breezy, you might have a perfect balance. However, if you want to wear this into the summer and you have those hotter days, you might be turning into a sweaty hot box. So there's that. For function, this jumpsuit isn't quite as transitional into a bunch of different scenarios because it is a little bit more formal. And the last jumpsuit is by Spiritual Gangster, the Stripe Romper. So this is a yoga-inspired clothing brand who likes to inspire positivity, generosity, kindness. With every piece that they sell, they donate to a person in need of a meal, and have donated 11 million meals to date, which is just amazing. So it definitely had a modest minimalist fit, which I really liked. Fabric is 91% rayon, 9% nylon. So what this means is it has a similar feel to cotton, and so it drapes really nicely. As well as that is it loses its body or its shape over time, so you definitely want to be washing with care. This might not be the case for every single piece that's made out of rayon. So for function, I like to ask myself the question sometimes that we used to ask when I was a visual merchandiser and we were styling looks for mannequins and the windows. And that question is, where is this girl going? And so asking that question with this piece, I don't really know where she's going. But I don't know if that's necessarily what it's intended for, if it's intended to be going somewhere. I think it is just more intended for a more leisurely, relaxed feel. Maybe that's where she's going. Maybe she's going to the beach or something. Or she's going to a yoga class, you know? But I think it works. choices for jumpsuits for your spring fashion wardrobe. Please comment below if you have anything to add, any questions, or if there are anything specific that you'd like to see on this channel. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for future weekly episodes. All right, have a fantastic rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.